Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by. Just had a tooth out, so I'm not feeling my best, but I thought I'd just put this quick video out. This is actually an exhibit I came across in Brisbane by a high school student. I thought it was quite extraordinary, so much detail. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. Isn't it extraordinary what you can make out of cardboard? I kept on staring at it. If this is the sort of thing you like, please give me a like, and be really nice if you could subscribe. Oh well, until next time, thanks for stopping by. Bye.